All right, southern Connecticut is where there's the greatest risk for perhaps seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm, and it's in fact right now we're zoomed in here with early warning pinpoint Doppler to Fairfield County. So from Stamford to Darien to Norwalk, got some pretty intense rain, perhaps some wind gusts around 40 miles an hour, classified currently as just a strong thunderstorm as opposed to one that is severe. We'll continue to monitor this as it heads to the northeast at around 20 miles an hour. We'll be arriving in Fairfield 434, Trumbull 451, Milford at 509. So on the motion here over the past 30 minutes, as I clear this out for you, show you exactly what we're talking about. Again, this is moving to the northeast and doing so at around 20 miles an hour. So this will continue making its way right over Interstate 95 and as well the Merritt Parkway. So on the statewide perspective into northwest Connecticut, also tracking some heavier rain right now to the east of Torrington, making its way toward New Hartford, just to the northwest of Canton here shortly. So temperature-wise, we're as expected in the 70s in many locations across the state. Dew point values they're up to. We still have the southerly wind at around 10 to 20 miles an hour. It's that wind direction that's bringing in this muggy air mass. Dew point values in the 60s, but in the wake of a cold front, the wind switches to the northwest and drier air will be filtering in. That's going to start early tomorrow morning behind that front, and we'll set the stage for a beautiful Friday. So our view from Hartford right now showing cloud cover, otherwise dry. Same goes for New Haven, but that storm over Fairfield County eventually heading in the direction of the Elm City. So on the bigger view here, showers and storms off to our west continue to make their way in our direction, and we do expect the rain to fill in a bit to expand in coverage here across southern New England with that threat for some strong to perhaps severe storms. So we've got this frontal boundary, a warm front. It's to the south of that where we're really seeing a juicy air mass, one that is unstable, where there's the greatest threat for storms to even rotate this evening. So as that front moves north, eventually a cold front off to our west clears Connecticut later tonight. So it's near that warm front that we'll see that best chance for some of those strong to severe storms over the next couple of hours. So futurecast as we make our way from 5 to 8 o'clock tonight. Again, the darker reds, even some purple showing up near southern Connecticut, moving across Long Island. And as we head past midnight, and that front makes its way through the area by early tomorrow morning, looking for clearing to get underway for the morning commute. So any morning clouds on Friday give way to afternoon clearing. It's going to be on the breezy side as winds could get up to around 30 miles an hour. Overnight, temps only drop into the mid-60s in many locations. Tomorrow afternoon, 75 to 80 inland, 80 to 82 along the shoreline. So that wind off the land as opposed to off the water means coastal communities will be as warm, if not a degree or two warmer, than inland areas as we close out the week with an increasing amount of sunshine. Then for our Saturday, this is the pick of the week. At a top 10 day for sure. Ample sunshine in the morning, a cool start, and by the afternoon, plenty of sunshine yet again. So on our 7-day forecast, we'll dip into the low 50s come Saturday morning. So the usual cooler spots, upper 40s. By Saturday afternoon, still breezy, upper 70s, near 80 on Sunday with a chance for a late day shower or thunderstorm. So most of the daylight hours we think on Sunday should be okay. It's as we head toward the evening that rain and storm chances will be increasing. Then early next week, Monday starts dry, low 80s, and we're going optimistically dry right now through the middle of next week with temperatures by Wednesday and Thursday eventually warming back into the mid 80s inland. For shoreline highs this weekend, upper 70s for both days.